3 295 panels and 9 295 panels. Some chicken coop with some Superstrut mounted on the top there. Getting ready to go up there. I've got the template all marked up there. They're gonna go 5 by 5 by 2. All the parts are ordered. Should be here sometime this week. 3.5 kilowatts of wireless energy. Nikola Tesla knew something about this wireless energy. It's just that I'm getting my wireless energy from Bob, the big orange blob. That's army speak for the sun. And there's Roscoe. He needs a toy to play with.